Now, you also have one of the highest rates of capital punishment.
Yes, that's for drugs.
That's for drugs.
Yeah, and we are,
Because you think drugs deserve to be treated with the maximum punishment.
if we could kill them 100 times, we would.
Oh, grabe na to si Lee Kuan Yew eh, JK oh. Pucha, dapat ikulong na nga ICC yan. Diba? This is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this.
This is Pinoy Extreme.
Because you destroy whole families. It's terrifying to see. Because you're then drug dependent. You steal, you cheat, you rob your own parents.
Oh, ito rin yung sinabi ni Digong yung epekto ng droga na kung saan pamilya mo, hindi lang sarili mo yung sinisira mo. And sunod na nun, yung community sa paligid mo. So, ano na?
I mean, it's soul destroying. And they come in knowing that death, if they are found with this goods on them, but the rewards are so great.
You don't.
And they try very, very unusual people. Women from Africa, big mammies come to sell clothes. And in between the clothes are kilos of heroin.
So, biruin mo Singapore. Hindi sila tinigilang putaktihin ng mga drug dealers na yan, ng mga pusher na yan, because the money there is so great. So, kung Singapore nga hindi nawawalan ng pusher, so ang laban dyan continues. Kaso huminto.
And if you bring heroin into Singapore,
You hang.
you hang.
You hang. Anything beyond 10 grams, you hang. Below 10 grams, maybe you
If
can
you
say,
are convicted of bringing in more than 10 grams of heroin,
you hang.
you hang.
That's right.
After a jury trial.
Yes, of course. No jury trial. Judge.
Judge.
Yeah.
Judge listens to the evidence presented,
Yes, of course.
and if he says you're guilty, you hang.
You hang.
O, sasabihin na naman ng mga tao dyan may due process kasi dyan. So again, yung mga nagke-claim ng victim sila ng EJK or whatnot, injustice, nag-file na ba kayo ng kaso? 'Di ba? Kasi so far, yung numbers na pwede nilang i-present sa ICC, 43 lang. Out of what? 10,000, 30,000 claims. So, ibig sabihin, pucha, wala pang 1% yung nag-file ng kaso. Bakit? O, sasabihin na naman ng mga tao, corrupt kasi yung justice system ng Pilipinas. So, paano naging corrupt? 'Di ba? Kwento nyo naman, ano yung experience nyo, ano yung kaso nyo, GR number kung hanggat maaari, sino yung judge, sino yung mga involved dito, para naman mapapanagot natin sila. 'Di ba? Hindi yung nagkiklaim lang kayo, victim ako eh. Totoo yun eh. Maniwala ka na lang, victim ako. Ito nga namatay oh. 'Di ba? Ganun yung gusto ng mga taong emosyonal na hindi alam kung paano mag-isip ng critical. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.